There is a piece of legislation which is called as a National Food Security Act, which was enacted in the year 2013. In short, this act is called as Food Security Act. This is a very important piece of legislation, and even the Western countries are acclaiming this piece of legislation because it has really empowered the people with the aim to get food, right to food. It's a very novel and remarkable legislation, and especially in a country like ours, this legislation's effective implementation is very important, where people are suffering from malnutrition. Children are suffering from malnutrition in many parts of the country, and even in Goa, the effective implementation of this law will bring respite to lakhs of people. The day this act comes to be implemented, you will see the difference on the ground, because people will immensely benefit out of it. The state has not yet implemented this piece of legislation, and as per reports coming in the papers, in some section of the media also, it has come that red tape and bureaucracy have ensured that this remarkable piece of legislation is not implemented. So our demand is that this legislation is intended to benefit the deserving, the poor and the needy. When it comes to entitlement to food as a right, and therefore government should not make any delay in the effective implementation of this act,